Hello, welcome to this new video giving you an update of the state of the CashTokens ecosystem. So now it's been 7 months since the release of CashTokens on the main Bitcoin Cash network, and I thought a good place to start off the video would be by looking at the CoinMarketCap website for CashTokens, TokenStork. So as we can see, compared to last time, a few of the biggest tokens have shifted and the total value locked for the different tokens have increased steadily. So Cauldron Stocks is new at the top of the chart, and here the Rep Bitcoin Cash is also a new project. But the biggest token on CashTokens currently is the Furu token of the Guru project. So let's start off the overview by taking a look at the BCH Guru project. They posted an update saying BCH Guru will be entering a private alpha. We will sequentially invite BCH users to privately try out our unique price prediction app built on CashTokens, Bitcoin Cash and CashTokens. And we will start by inviting our Oracle partners, General Protocols, to make some on-chain price predictions. And here they have provided a screenshot of their price prediction platform. And as you can see, the Furu token is integrated on the platform, so you can make a game with a stake Furu token. So that's presumably why this is currently the token with the most total value locked. And this is ordered based on total value locked. So if you order on market cap, you will see that there's actually tokens with a very low total value locked, but just a very high circulating supply at the top. So for example, this Spice token only has $2 locked up, or $7, $3. So that's why I think ranking by total value locked makes the most sense for now, until this market cap measurement becomes more reliable. Then next up in the overview for the CashTokens ecosystem is TopSwap. So TopSwap, the CashTokens marketplace, has now integrated Wallet Connect. So if you go to Connect Wallet and then Wallet Connect, you will see this screen. So you can use CashNice, Paytaka, and they're working on a Zapit integration, so you can have a nice button there as well. So this is great to see. This is now in the mainline TopSwap website, so at topswap.cash. And this makes the wallet much more accessible for users. So there's no need to use a special beta website anymore. So that's great to see, and it will make this CashTokens marketplace much more active and much more accessible to new users. So then next up in the CashTokens news is news by Paytaka. They said, funded by the proceeds of the BitCats Heroes NFT mint, we have developed the CashToken Studio, a tool for anyone to easily create tokens in Bitcoin Cash using the CashTokens protocol. The site is now up and running for mainnet. So then they provided some screenshots in dark mode. So as you can see, it also supports Wallet Connect. And these are some other screenshots. So you have a menu, then you see your connected wallet. You can manage your fungible tokens, your non-fungible tokens, see your different token categories. And then it introduces this new concept called the auth keys. So auth keys are an NFT, and how you manage the updates or issuing new supply for your cash token. So I think the auth key is a very good concept, but because it's a new term, people will have to get used to it. And as you can see, you can just fill in the token symbol and token description right in this field when creating a new token, as well as put in your website and upload the token icon. So this means that the IPFS integration is all seamless and happens behind the screen, so you can easily create a token without having to use any special IPFS tooling. It's built into the CashTokens Studio. So this is some other screenshots showing two example tokens, a main token and a Kathniel token, which was kind of like a meme coin they were giving away at Paytaka. This is a final screenshot showing how you can issue more tokens, so you can increase the circulation the supply that's in circulation. So I have it open here in light mode. You can of course toggle it. So it works with Paytaka or with Wallet Connect. So you have the option. It's great to see the Wallet Connect ecosystem expanding. So TopSwap, the CashTokens Studio, so all the main apps now have Wallet Connect support. And if you want to use it on ChipNet, you can use ChipNet. Sorry, let me type this correct. ChipNet.cashtokens.studio. And then you will be taken to the test mode So you can first try out the test mode to see if the token creation works, and then you can create the same token or the real token on mainnet Bitcoin Cash, because as this is very new, it's beta software, so there may be some improvements that are still needed. But I would love to see people try this out and provide feedback. So next up in the news is something new, an improvement on the Wallet Connect proposal. It's called CashRPC, and CashRPC has a developer interface, an IDE, where you can start playing around with it. So it has a full description of how to work with it, and like examples and templates. So I would encourage other developers to take a look. And there is also code available for this, so the Git link, and also a fork of CashNice, which already supports this new CashRPC protocol. So let's take a look at what it actually does. So I said in this tweet, the new standard allows wallets to recognize smart contract templates, limit permissions, so for the apps connecting to your wallet, and it shows human readable info on signing. And then I just provide a link to the Bitcoin Cash research forum where it was announced. So let's take a look at these screenshots. It says approve session, and then you can actually see which template is used. So the example that we see here, it's using a template for a Flipstarter campaign. So it's called for BCH House or Beach House, the alpha fundraising contract. So in the screenshots, you can see that it's using a Flipstarter template. Then you can see which methods it has access to. So kind of like you have app permissions when downloading a new app on your mobile phone. You will have wallet permissions when you connect a new app to your wallet for the first time. And then you can specify which tokens it can interact with and know your balances of. So this is all great that you can limit the permissions that you give to an application. And then also the template can be like a trusted template, an untrusted one, or maybe even give you a warning if it's a known template that has scammed people or something like that. And then the second screenshot is when you actually need to sign the transaction. So this would actually be a sign for two transactions. First, it creates a new token genesis out point, and then from this, it uses this token to create a Flipstarter campaign. So this is all very human readable. And if you take a look, it says here, campaign main.log, and you can see the different template parameters. So you know which template it uses, but then you can also see which specific parameters it uses for the template. For example, the fundraising goal, the fundraising expiry time, the payout bytecode. So this is more technical, but it's still verifiable. So it's not too hard for users to see what is going on and understand this template. So this is a big improvement from the current protocol. So this is called CashRPC with this logo, and it's still in a testing phase. So there may be changes to the protocol, but these improvements are industry leading in terms of security. So you can have permissions, templates, and human understandable values filling in those templates. So this is great innovation to see. And this was, as we can see on the research post, this was all made by Jim Tendo, so a Bitcoin Cash developer, and here he announced the new protocol or the new standard. So next up, after discuss RPC, something more light. It's namely a new token from Bob E token. So as you can see, it's actually a very popular account with almost 130,000 followers. And the Bob token is doing a free mint on Bitcoin Cash using the CRC20 protocol. So it's very cool to see this kind of partnership with Bitcoin Cash Belief. So they teamed up with this Bob token to do this mint on CashTokens. So that's very cool to see, and it will be interesting if there are new people trying this out, or to see what the result of this will be. But this is the first time an outside project coming from ETH is really looking into CashTokens and doing this kind of stuff. So it's good to get exposure, and we'll see what comes out of this Bob token. And then lastly, I want to discuss shortly some Flipstarter news. So first off, the CashNice Flipstarter got funded on November 18th. So this was a success. You can still find this at flipstarter.cashanize.com. And then just yesterday, there had been a new Flipstarter announced for the Cauldron DEX, so for a turbo launch. And they want to do a bunch of new improvements. So I think they list them here, the new features they want to develop for their turbo launch. So we see that this Flipstarter is still a very important tool to get funding for projects on building on cash tokens, while the market is still maturing. And when there will be like bigger projects and more transactions, it will be easier for DEXs like Cauldron to have a business model, for example, taking a fee on all swap transactions. But currently they want to expand their team. So I think they are 4 developers. So I quickly skimmed this post. And you can see the team here. So here you see 3 developers. Yeah, 3 developers, I think. So that's very cool. I recommend everyone to check this out and read more about their beta 2.0. It's what they call it. So it will be quite ambitious, this Flipstarter, to raise 418 Bitcoin Cash. But I wish them best luck, and I will be monitoring this closely to see how it goes. So that wraps up everything big that has happened since last month. So see you in the next video, I guess. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.